Hey guys, how you doing today? This is Thelivingatlas coming from Newport City at the lovely Savoy Hotel, and here's a quick room tour of my deluxe room here at the hotel. So, I'm here in Manila for a couple of days, and I'm making a short video about the room I have here. It's pretty nice. The Savoy Hotel is in Newport City, which is an upscale gambling and lifestyle and entertainment section in Pasay City, across from Terminal 3 here in Manila. And here's a tour of my room. Here you go. So first up, we got the bathroom right here. So we have a nice little bathroom here. Comes with the conditioner, soap, and body wash. Got this kid soap and lotion, hair dryer, vanity mirror right there, and it's a little tight right here. So I want to apologize. This room's lived in a little bit. So we got a safe right here. We got a coffee maker, 4 bottles of water, and we got, teas and sugars. We have a little refrigerator. We got emergency light, umbrella, and 2 robes and some slippers. And so here is the main part of the room right here. Alright. We got 2 lights and a plug in the thing. We got us a good old Sharp Aqua TV. And we have a desk work area. And we have the view outside the window here. That's Terminal 3, and it's the Skyway and stuff. And they got the other view right here of Pasay City. That's where Manila Airport's in. And the Skyway here. Alright, so sorry for a little bit of mess here. They made my bed and everything, but I got clothes and stuff around here. All clothes here all everywhere. So yeah. So that is a quick little tour of my room here at the Savoy Hotel. I'm gonna walk around a little bit later and show you around Newport City a little bit. I stayed at the Holiday Inn Express here in Newport City. Also very nice. Also, I'm going to go downstairs and show you some of those little social areas here on the first floor. Alright. And this is it for the hotel review. So, excuse me. That is it for the room review, So, if you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the bell button for everything. And you guys have a great day.